हाँ
Naga sir, your video is not visible, sir.
Really? Okay.
Voice is audible.
1 minute.
Sure.
Now?
Yeah, it's visible. Neeraj, ready? Go. So, very good morning to all of us. I am here with our respected principal sir, Dr. Sunil Lal, and our head of the department, Dr. Jignesh Patel sir, and our respected speaker, Dr. Y. Ravi Kumar sir from IIT Warangal. So, this is our inauguration ceremony, which we will clear after 10 o'clock. So, as we have planned this webinar on the role of additive manufacturing, 3D printing during COVID-19, because this pandemic is going on, so how this 3D printing will support the affordability in society, that we will cover in this one-day national webinar. And I will try to brief get this info about 1200 participants from various institutes, and there is states of India that is company about. We have covered more than 20 states of India. We have about 20 states of India, and technical non-technical institutes are also there. And more than, if we will talk about student and faculty ratio, then 60% is students are here, and more than 25% are academicians, which are mostly faculties and teachers, and more than 30% are our technical staff who are running those labs or associated with the labs. So these are the brief details we have found out during the registrations. And today we will have two speakers with us, Dr. Y. Ravi Kumar sir. So before starting or briefing our details, I would like to play our college introductory video so that all of us will be aware about our college details. So yeah.
voice आवाज
So thank you so much for your presence hearing. So this was all about our college introductory video. So now I would like to request our respected principal sir to say a few words about our college and our development regarding this project and this webinar. Please sir.
Good morning, everybody. In today's webinar on role of additive manufacturing and 3D printing during COVID-19, I welcome to Dr. Ravi Kumar from IIT Warangal and Mr. Jigar Panchal, founder of 3D printing startup at Vadodara, Gujarat. Government Engineering College, Banswada have already organized 4-5 workshops on 3D printing because we have 3D printers and our college is the single college which has 3D printing laboratory in Rajasthan. To join the role of additive manufacturing on 3D printing webinars I joined today and welcome you all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your sincere words. Now, I would like to request Jignesh Patel, sir, head of the department Mechanical Engineering, to say a few words about our department and the laboratories which we have established during this tech event previous year. Please, sir.
Yes, good morning, everyone present in this webinar. Myself, Dr. Jignesh Patel. On the behalf of HOD Mechanical, I am welcome all the participants and our today's speaker, Dr. Ravi Kumar. So, in past, we have conducted two FDP on the 3D printing and CNC machine for the faculties as well as the students. And we have also conducted one summer training, especially for the student on the 3D printing. We have provided a theoretical aspect as well as the practical aspect. Students have performed number of experiment and printed their own component. In this situation, COVID-19 pandemic situation, 3D printing is the very most parameter as you can or you can read on the internet. In 30 to 40% means component are manufactured by the 3D printer. Even in the lockdown situation, whole world is locked, but the 3D printer play is a very important role. As I have read in some article, that in a ventilator part, some ventilator part are broken in country and only they have printed that part with the 3D printer only. So you can use 3D printer for personal use. There is a new requirement. So in our college is located in tribal areas. Our principals are open the initiative to aware the people about the latest technology. So on the regular basis, we are conducting the workshop on the 3D printer as well as the advanced CNC machine, and we have already 3 to 4 3D printer machine. So I first congratulate to Minister for conducting such a good webinar on it's a current requirement, and I am also very thankful to our principals for providing this webinar. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jignesh, sir, head of the department Mechanical Engineering. So I will like to introduce our first speaker in the introduction only. He is associate professor in Mechanical Engineering department, the department and NIT Warangal, Telangana. He obtained B.Tech in JNT, Kakinada in 2000, and ME in CFA from USG College of Technology. He is PhD in Mechanical Engineering from Osmania University, Hyderabad, and postdoctoral research in 3D printing at Gulabpur School of Engineering, USA in 2012. He has supervised more than 25 MTech projects and produced 4 PhD and guiding 4 more PhD theses. He has published more than 50 research papers in various national and international conferences and journals. He is instrumental in setting up rapid prototyping laboratory in NIT Warangal. He started MTech program in additive manufacturing in collaboration with CMTI Bangalore, the first time in the India of its kind, one of the only additive manufacturing institution in masters. He received the Young Engineer of Year 2009 award from Government of Uttar Pradesh Institute of India. He has executed various sponsored R&D projects worth rupees 65 lakhs in the area of 3D. He established a world-class metal 3D printing facility at NIT Warangal under T2D project only. He is a life member of IST, IEI, RPSI Society. He visits various countries, Australia, Sweden, Singapore, Finland, and many more. So I would like to welcome Ravi Kumar sir in this our inauguration ceremony to say few words on this webinar. Please.
Respected Principal Dr. Shivalal and head of the department, Jignesh Patil, and my student Shubham. So, a very good morning, one and all. So, let me thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to talk on this role of 3D printing during COVID-19. So, and even I would like to thank the sponsor of this program, that is TechUp3 by NPIU World Bank. So, I am going to talk on this, basically the current situation where we are living with the pandemic called COVID-19. So we'll see very soon slides on this. So I will hand over to organizers.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Ravi, sir. So this is all about our inauguration ceremony. As this technical glitches, we have not been able to participate online. All the sessions will be there on air on the Baswara YouTube channel live. So we will start our session at 10:15 sharp. So those who are participating, they should be there on YouTube channel. They will get the link so that we can come online at 10:15. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the TechUp, principal sir, Nestle sir, Ravi Kumar sir, Mr. Pujal, he will join us after the session. Thank you so much. That's all about